What is up, y'all? So we got these roybi riding lawnmowers. This is the 30-inch deck, all right, and then we got the 42-inch deck. The 30-inch deck I bought for 600, and the 30-inch deck I bought for the 30-inch deck where you see right there I bought for 600, and the 42-inch deck I bought for 900. Of course, the 42-inch deck is going to have a higher performance than of the regular 30-inch deck. But let's see how it performs. See how I do. I'm going to go sit on it. These are display models, so these are not going to be brand new. But they looking at the trails of these tires look brand new versus I just got the 42-inch deck, and the 42-inch deck looked like it's already seen better days. I don't know. The tires look better on the 30-inch deck, to be honest. All right, so we're gonna turn this baby on. Show you guys what it do. So right now, it is on. I'm receiving a call right now. See real quick. Sorry about that. It's on 75%. This girl keeps calling me. I hate to be disrespectful, but I am interested in her, but she keeps calling me like nonstop. So that one is 100%. This one is 41. The batteries do. The only gripe I have about these batteries do. I think we have another battery here on the side. I believe there's a 12 amp 40 volt battery, fully charged on the side. It only takes two of them versus the other one takes, I think, three 12 amps. All right. Actually 4 12 amps. And this one, I'll just open this up to show you guys. This is the 42-inch deck. So it takes 3 80 volts, and the 30-inch only takes 2 volts. Sorry. It does do that when you leave it. So don't get worried about it if you leave it for a short amount of time. Now we are going to disengage the brake, and we're having a problem here with the disengagement of the brake. So I'm going to hit the brake here, and you play with it, and supposedly that brake is supposed to come off. Taking it off neutral. You're supposed to play with this brake, and somehow that brake comes off. Looking like it's giving us a hard time today. Yeah, it's not wanting to disengage the brake. We got it off the neutral. Nope. It's giving us a really hard time today. I think it's the brake switch. It's not wanting to read, because we off the brake right now. But this does have a 5-year warranty. So we trying to see if we could play with it. The other day, the blade works. Let's open up the blade if I could show you. Oh, well, the blade switch is here. You just lift it up. So the blades do work. Now let's try to play with this brake one more time. It's giving us a harder time. It Yeah, there's something wrong with this brake. Let's see if we're gonna do it light. Yeah, something. I'm trying to see. Yeah, it doesn't wanna. Gonna put it all the way on neutral. I'm gonna put it all the way on neutral. Yeah. Let's put it on brake again. So we're on the brake, fully engaged on the brake. So we're gonna slightly disengage that brake. Yeah, it's giving us a harder time today. It does not want to get off a brake. Come on, baby. You did it the other day. Why you not doing it today for me? So what we're gonna do, because I did this before, we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna turn the whole thing off and put it on brake again. We're gonna give it a reset, it's called a hard reset. What's a hard reset? We're gonna show you right now. So we're gonna disengage all the batteries. So we're gonna turn off all the batteries. We're gonna disengage all the batteries, even this one, the 20 volt on the 40 volt. And we're just gonna take it off slightly and just give it a hard reset. Give it like a minute or two, just to give it a hard reset and see if we can engage it. We already know that the 42-inch deck is working perfectly fine. We don't have nothing to worry about this one. With this one, it's working perfectly fine, but this one is the one that's giving us trouble. So we're just gonna wait a minute and a half on this one, give it a hard reset, and try to see if we can work with that brake again. All right. So let's give it another 30 seconds, and we should be good to go. All right. And see what it do. All right. So let's give it another 20 seconds, 15 seconds. All right. Right there, we should be good to go. In 3, 2, 1, lift off. Let's put everything back. Let's see if that hard reset worked. All right. Put all these batteries back. All right. And let's try it again. Let's turn it on and all that jazz. Let's see if we can turn it on again. Turning it on is not the problem. The problem is the brake. And I wanted to give you guys good content, so this is how it turns on. The computer turns on perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the computer, which is a beautiful thing. Turns on perfectly fine. Everything comes on. That's a beautiful thing. Is this when we disengage that brake doesn't want to detect that it's off. That's the problem right there. Let's take it off of neutral. We took it off of neutral. Neutral's off, as you guys can see. But we're still having a problem with this brake not detecting that is off brake. not off the brake. Yep, the brake went off. Damn, I messed it up, man. I had it. Damn, I had it for a quick second. You saw that? It was off brake. So you gotta play with it. But we shouldn't have to do all this. The brake, when you take it off the brake, it should like automatically come off. Shouldn't be having to play with this. So there's definitely something wrong with the brake switch. Just keep in mind, you do have a 5-year warranty on these units if you decide to buy this. They come and service it. They came and serviced this one, just to let you know, because I had a problem turning the switch on the key. They did came and service that. But I figured, oh, you see, I had it off brake. Damn. Something wrong with that brake switch, bro. See? I had it off that brake switch. It's not wanting to work, guys. It's not wanting to work. It does want to work, but something's going on with that brake switch, and I wish I could find out where's that brake switch at. We got it off the neutral. Oh, come on, baby. You was on yesterday. Come on. You know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try to turn it off and turn it back on. See if that works. Still on the brake. See, it's on park still. All right, guys. It seems to me that this, but you do have a 5-year warranty. They are coming Tuesday to come look at it. Damn, these mosquitoes is killing me. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I wish I could show you more, but apparently this ain't working. So we ain't gonna sit here and just, have a boring content. It seems not to work, but they are coming Tuesday to warranty this out and see if they could fix the brake switch, which is the problem of this unit. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more content.